We are here with Mr. Ravi Jagtiani. It's such a pleasure to be talking to him. He's been a silver sponsor for Bebashi. And let's hear from him how he got associated with Bebashi and what this means to him. Mr. Ravi, welcome.
Thank you.
And my first question to you is, tell us something about what you do.
So obviously a realtor. I sell from residential real estate right here in Foster City, across the Bay Area, to commercial real estate as well as business brokerage. So if somebody is trying to buy or sell a business opportunity, we also do that.
And are you a hostess?
Yes, I'm
How many have you?
11 to 12 years.
And how did you get associated with Bebashi?
Well, we came here first. We saw these events going on. We were curious to see what's out there. We made some friends, and it's been quite a number of years. I think 7 to 8 years.
And it has paid off for you? You like the association?
We love it. I mean, what more can you expect than these cultural events? It's growing every year. The whole organization. Every year we see it growing. Every year better performances, better everything. It's great for our kids more than us, right? The culture is passed on to the kids. It's a fantastic way to stay, in Foster City, connected to the Indian culture.
And knowing that you are a realtor, what do you see the market is trending right now?
Well, to be honest, market is tricky right now. Residential is a bit slow, but it's a great opportunity. The fact is, it is slow. It is the best opportunity you can ever have, right? As soon as interest rates drop, you see a flurry of buyers coming into the market. So if you can buy now, refinance later, have some pain by paying a little bit of a high interest rate, but later on refinance, it's a great deal. On the commercial side, commercial is too raw. Office spaces are doing horrible. Hotels are doing bad. But then retail is doing surprisingly fantastic. Within retail is also too broad, but more or less is doing well. Businesses are doing fantastic. Business opportunities are selling really quick. As people are scared of losing their jobs, they're actually, buying businesses and trying to change careers. So I get a call, several times a week that we're looking for buying businesses. So overall, the market is, keeps shifting, but overall it's great. No complaints.
Wow, thank you for the insight. It was a pleasure talking to you. And for you, whoever needs expert insights from Ravi, come and visit him and call him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi. It's been a pleasure, and we hope to see you in Bebashi for years to come.
Definitely. Thank you.